We've all seen it, huge blocks of dense text that pop up before you install a new piece of software or sign up for a new service. These days, end-user license agreements are everywhere, but most of the time are too long and full of jargon for consumers to feasibly read. We wanted to create something that would help consumers stay informed on what they're agreeing to and how their data is being used by companies. Users cannot be reasonably expected to read dozens of pages of text for every product they use, but we hope to help people from inadvertently agreeing to dubious privacy violations and signing away their rights. Our application, TLDR, finds the most notable sections of such a legal document, namely sections which seem unusual and do not align with typical EULAs, and compiles them into a brief summary. It's a Chrome extension that users can use directly from their browser when they encounter one of these legal documents. Here I have some examples open and I'll show our application working. So essentially, a user would highlight the EULA that they want to summarize and then right-click to summarize the text. When they click Simplify, a brief summary will appear that lists the most noteworthy parts of the document. So for Instagram, it specifically shows things about photos and what things you can post because the algorithm has determined that those things are special to Instagram's terms of service and are different than regular terms of service agreements. When building this project, we actually found out something interesting when trying this out on AWS terms of service. I pre-highlighted the doc because it's pretty long. It talks about what would happen in the event of a zombie apocalypse. I guess to see if anyone would ever read the terms of service. And so needless to say, we were pretty surprised when we saw this one. I'll just show you some other examples of the app working. So here is it on Google's terms of service. So it talks about changing your settings so your name and photo don't appear in an ad, traffic and safety laws, and don't interfere with their services. And then for Facebook, it talks about how Facebook will customize the things that you see on your newsfeed, connecting people, Facebook products, pages, things like that.